Hey everyone, Therese here, and I can't wait to share with you my favorite tip for getting into the lucid dream state. In today's mini lesson, I'm going to discuss with you what can get in our way when we're trying to experience the depths of our subconscious mind, as well as what you can expect to experience when you're inside a lucid dream. At the end, I'm going to share with you an ancient technique for getting into the lucid dream state. The simplest definition for lucid dreaming is awareness that you're dreaming while in the dream state. And there are actually several different levels of lucid dreaming, going from only slightly lucid to incredibly lucid and able to do kind of amazing things in your own dreams. So what is it that stops us from entering a lucid dream state? I have two words for you: distraction and fear. Now, distraction can be really tricky in the dream state. Just as you are becoming lucid and aware that you are awake within the dream, something will come by in your dream that will catch your attention and pull you right back in, causing you to go right back into the regular dream state. If you manage to make it past distraction as you go deeper into your subconscious mind, you eventually trip the wire known as fear. Our major personal fears take on new forms in the dream state. These dreams may be few and far between, but the experience can leave a lasting impression. The reason is twofold. One, they are powerful teachers about what needs to be healed and accepted in ourselves. And two, they hold keys of destiny. So how do we get past these roadblocks? What are the solutions in getting past distraction and fear? To get past the roadblock of distraction, all you have to do is practice mindfulness and meditation. When you practice quieting the waking mind, it is much easier to quiet the mind while lucid dreaming. When facing the roadblock of fear, whether in the lucid dream state or in real life, the answer is to turn and face it. Instead of trying to deny or avoid fear, if you lean into it, if you look at what's going on, if you embrace it, so much information can come forward, both in your conscious daily life and in your subconscious mind. Before I give you the ancient technique on how to induce a lucid dream, I want to make a point. Lucid dreaming is a practice. It's a muscle you have to develop. Just like you would go to the gym to work out your biceps to make them stronger, you're going to have to dedicate time to practice lucid dreaming. It's very rare to get it on the first try. The more time you dedicate to meditation and mindfulness, as well as practicing the lucid dreaming induction techniques over and over, the better you'll be, and one day it's just going to click into place. In his book, Journey to Ixtlan, Carlos Castaneda describes a simple technique given by a shaman healer about how to go into a lucid dream state. Tonight in your dreams, the shaman instructed, you must look for your hands. Now, you might think fantasy imagery is the way to go to help you know you are dreaming, but the harder your mind has to work to create an image, the harder it can be to accept that image readily in the dream state. And when you're dreaming, things don't seem as fantastic or out there as they do when you're awake. Locating our hands in a dream is an easy trick to use to help remind our mind that we are in the dream state now. We're so used to seeing our hands that we could easily close our eyes and imagine them at any moment. The following is a technique you can use to help you with your intention of finding your hands in your dreams. Tonight when you're laying in your bed, instead of watching your favorite Netflix show like I like to do sometimes, instead get cozy and settled and quiet the mind. That's step one. As you're laying there, find a comfortable position to hold up your hands. Gaze gently at your hands, observing the palms, the back of the hands. Look for any details. We look at our hands so many times in a day, but how often do we actually observe our hands? As you continue to focus on your hands, soften your focus and mentally repeat to yourself, tonight, while I'm dreaming, I will see my hands and realize I'm dreaming. Repeat that mantra over and over in your mind as you allow it to just go blank, your eyes to soften even more, continuing to say to yourself, tonight, while I am dreaming, I will see my hands and realize that I am dreaming. After about 5 minutes of repeating the mantra and gently staring at your hands, it's natural for your eyes to feel tired and your hands to want to drop. This is okay. Let yourself go, drifting off to sleep, and who knows, maybe into your first lucid dream. If you'd like a free guided practice, click the link in the description below that'll take you to a MP3 I made to help you do this very technique. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you know the next time I release a new video. Until next time, stay magical.